Hi, me. I just wanted to record one. One thought came to my mind regarding the initial planning package. See, friends, I'll just upload to my YouTube because I need to save somewhere this video because I don't have. It's a free memory space, right? So I just want it to saved in YouTube, and I just also want if someone is interested on EPC kind of projects, or they want to know how to. It might help them to develop a planning package at initial stage if they're planning and controlling engineers. So I just come to the point. The thing is that at the beginning of the project, we need to sketch down the planning package. So the first stage of planning is to read out the scope. So, and after reading out the scope, the discipline has to give you the total deliverable list that we call document and deliverable list, DDL. So what we usually do in our company, after getting the DDL, we will circulate it to the full team, project team, to get their release plan or to get their release dates. And accordingly, we as a planning engineer, we will sketch it in our Primavera software. So I was just going through my PMP study material, and one thought came to my mind that how to make your team more relaxed and more comfortable, and how the planning technique, how you can sequence it very correctly. Because when you ask your discipline leads or ask your project team to assign a project date, they will say that, "Array, for this PDS I want that document. For load list I want this document to be done by for piping electrical will say for this layout I need the date for piping ka layout ka date." So there are a lot of interference in engineering discipline. You might be getting, those who are from EPC business, they might get me. They can understand this point. So what I am trying to I just want to ease down that process, that in spite of giving them to assign the dates, what I can do is I can number out I will assign a code. Which will have the discipline indication in that code, and the one unique serial number will be there. And I will ask, after getting all the document deliverables, what I will do is I'll keep a meeting with all my project teams, and I will ask them what to do is I'll ask them to do I'll circulate with all my project team and ask them to assign. I'll the right side of each deliverable list, they will assign that deliverable document code which they need before releasing that particular document. The precedent deliverable. So they will assign the precedent deliverable. So after getting all the precedent list from all the discipline leads or project team, what I can do is I'll just sequence it out in Primavera Studio without giving any date or anything, taking a random start date. I'll just sketch out the sequences and everything. After then, what I will do, here they have only they might have only do one thing, is that they might have they probably they have to give the date for the source document. If the source document is from process, or mostly it is from process only, if it is from electrical, or if it is from piping or anywhere, so then the source document date they have to give. So how you will find which one is the source document? The source document is the one document against which there is no precedent list, there is no precedent deliverable code. So that becomes the source file, and they have to give the date for that. So this is a very, and they are very easy. And we also, as a planning engineer, we have also every now and then we don't want money. We have to call to the discipline person, "Arey, mujhe ye de do, mujhe wo de do." So you don't need to have to call or to follow up them repeatedly for the correct sequence. So this is a good idea. I will suggest everybody to implement this. I can recommend. I will suggest to recommend. So, but I am going to definitely use once. to see how it works. Thanks a lot. Bye.